Hello, this is Black Swamp Prepper. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a knife I just got. I literally just got it from the Case outlet in Monroe, Michigan. It was $34.99.
Yes, marked down from 70, almost 70.
Oh, marked down from almost 70. I haven't actually opened it up yet, but I am really excited. So, let's open her up here. Oh. First we'll look at the sheath, and well, see here. This is not a standard nylon sheath. Nothing really to talk about. There's a place back here where you could probably stick a fire striker or knife sharpener or something. Attaches either across the belt or normal way. Got your knife paperwork. I actually don't know when I got. My wife actually went in and bought it when I was out walking around. So we're actually going to look at find out what this is right now. Here. Alrighty. Let's open her up here. Kind of stiff. It's really solid, it seems. Alrighty. Well, we'll assume that right here is the blade. Got 2 screwdrivers and a lanyard hole. Oh, it's a leatherman kick. That's what it is. Alrighty. And got a can opener and a Phillips screwdriver over on this side. And then standard needle-nose pliers. Ruler. It's got a comfortable grip on it. I don't know if you can see that too well. It actually it's pretty cool. Well, I just want to say thank you to my beautiful wife. I love you. And this is Black Swamp Prepper.